Hey friend, we are back on Royal Caribbean again. Woo! And I just came from my cabin, dropped everything down. I see a little surprise on my bed. I have no idea what it is. I said before we get settled in, oh my gosh, this is too close. I did not realize there's a casino right here. This is too close to my room. No, they trying me. All right, let me show you where the room location is, and then we're gonna do a cabin tour. On deck 3, and 3, where we at? We over here. Okay, so we're at the rear of the ship, and the aft. Here's a bunch of other stuff here too. This is day 1. We're gonna go and explore. What is this little thing? Atlantic room. Oh, there's a little conference room here. Okay, what did we do? All right, so, and I just met my cabin neighbor who happens to be a subscriber, Ms. Damaris, and her daughter Sophia. What? And I thought I was in the interior cabin. I gotta look better at my invoices. I am not even in the interior. I'm in an Oceanview. Look how gorgeous this is. Oh my gosh. I'm not sure what that is. Let's save that to the end. I'm here in Rome out of Civitavecchia. Oh my goodness, the embarkation. First of all, getting from the hotel to the train, then from the train to the city, and then anyway, that's a whole nother story. I think I'm gonna make a whole video about that. We shall see. It's probably up before this one. I don't know yet. I'm just too excited because I'm on a Royal Caribbean ship over in Europe. What? This is my first time taking a Royal Caribbean cruise outside of the U.S. Yes, the only other cruises I took outside of the U.S. were on the other line. Anyway, let's go check out this cabin because it looks amazing. All right, I usually start at the front, but since we are right here, look at this little desk area. Oh, sookie. They got all the bells and whistles, everything that we need. We got 2 outlets and 2 extra, what these things called, USB ports. Plus we got the Europe thing. And I have an excursion. We'll talk about that in another video. But yes, I already pre-booked an excursion. They got all our different paperwork here. I think I'm going to do specialty dining. There's a couple Royal Caribbean restaurants that I haven't eaten at yet. And I think they have them on this ship. I get me some free initial bottled water. What else do we have? It says we can get ice upon request. And let's see, we got the standard peephole and muster station location, all that good stuff. We got sleeping off the adventure. Luggage is not here yet. Floor to ceiling mirror. And I almost got excited. I thought this was a closet, but no, this is the bathroom. All right, so bathroom. Woo! I love the newer ships. No curtains. I love them. Oh my gosh. Look how nice this is. Oh my gosh. 7 days. What they said in the movie Little Orphan Annie.
She's got it coming to her, and I don't mean a week in the lap of luxury. This breast's got to learn to know her place.
7 days in the lap of luxury. I forgot how she said it. Oh my gosh.
You don't have to do any cleaning while you're here with us.
I won't? How am I gonna earn my keep?
Why, you're our guest, Annie.
I think I'm gonna like it here.
This is my home for the next 7 days. I actually wish it was a back-to-back now, seeing how awesome this is. Oh my gosh. This does not rotate, so not different settings, but still, it's almost like a rain shower the way it's up there. That's what I'm on. That's what I'm gonna pretend I got a rain shower here. It'll be easy for me to wash my hair. Anywho, all right, friend, I actually lied. So now I'm actually taking a shower. So this right here, and yes, I did put the same clothes on because I don't got my clothes yet. But anyway, I just wanted to freshen up anyway. I'm still good. Now I'm just not sticky like I was before. Anywho, this does have a change of settings, and now I'm wondering if all those other cabin tours that I took and I really didn't check for it, I didn't think to check for it. You can select the setting here. Can I show it? Let me see if I can show it. without soaking myself up. So let's see. And then you, instead of twisting like the other style, you press. Can you tell it's changing settings? I forgot, because some people haven't been on Royal Caribbean ships yet. So yeah, if you haven't been on a Royal Caribbean ship, also, or if you've never been on a cruise before, you can also adjust this, like the angle that you have it at, that you want to have it at, right? So like if you want more like the rain shower setting or whatever. And then you can also, I'm trying to do it with one hand so it ain't working, but you can also lower it and raise it higher. Usually when I come in, it's usually already high, which is great for us tall people. And then the other thing that I didn't show you is not the trash, not the soap. Nobody don't care about that stuff. If you've never been on a cruise, or specifically a Royal Caribbean cruise, I didn't show you that the towels, I'm trying to do it with one hand because I'm trying to hold the camera. The towels, they put a loop. I've never seen this on any other that I can recall. I've never seen this on, yes, I broke my nail. It split right there. I hate that. Don't you hate when that happens? Ew. Anyway. Personal problems. They have these loops where you can just hang your towel up. That means it's time to drink water. I have to drink water every 2 hours. But yeah, so they have these neat little hooks. I like that you're able to just hang your towels like that instead of trying to just throw them over the hook and sometimes they fall off. This ensures that they don't fall off. So kudos to Royal Caribbean for that. Yeah, look at this cabin. All right, let me get down out of here. I love having an ocean view. If you don't know, I used to always love interior as my favorite cabin. And now I am in love with Oceanview. So yay. Look at a little bling on there. Okay, all right, I see y'all. I don't know how old this ship is. I need to look stuff up. I keep saying that every video. You think 2 years living full-time on cruise ships, I would have done that by now. But nope, I still don't do it. I did not look up anything about this cruise. I don't know what any of the cabins look like. I didn't do any research ahead of time. I like to be surprised. This is not a sofa bed or anything. It doesn't even, the pillows don't even come up. But yeah, look how nice this is. This is gonna be so comfy. Not that I plan on spending a lot of time in this room, but I have to remember I'm not on vacation. I am working and living. So yeah, I'm gonna go explore the ship, as you already know, and bring you some content about it. Look at my little drawers here. I was in another cabin, a ship. Was it Wonder of the Seas? And they had the same thing, but I think the door opened the other way. And I was like, ew, I wish the door opened the other way. So if I'm sitting on the bed, I'll just be able to reach in here and get stuff. Look at God. Look at him. I can just put my medicine right here, put my clothes right there, lotion, whatever. And I can just, when I get up, run to the bathroom, of course. That's what we always got to do first thing in the morning, right? And then just push this open and sit on the bed and get myself ready. Anywho, look at the little hangers. All right. I see you, Roya. All right, let's get a better look at this right here. Like I said, I just dropped my stuff down and my luggage is not here yet. And got 2 little nightstands. I normally have the bed separated. I don't remember if I asked them or not, but oh my gosh, is this leather? What? If it ain't leather, it's faux leather. I like it. What's it called? Pleather? I like it. But yeah, I got plenty enough room to, of course, it's 7 days and I'm gonna be all over the ship. So I think I'm gonna just go ahead and unpack. Oh yeah, because I gotta do laundry. This almost looks like cabinets. This is not cabinets, is it? No freaking way. Sorry, I get too excited over the littlest things. Why is this here? Am I even gonna use it? Would you use it? Huh. I don't think I have enough stuff to use it. I don't think I'm gonna use it, but I'm super impressed by it. I almost didn't even know it was here. See, that's what I get for not watching other people's videos about the ship. Watch it ahead of time. Got 2 little nightstands. Look at that fancy little night lights. All right. And what is this? Oh, that's the main light cabin. main cabin light. I like that they have a full outlet right there, not just the charger thingy. What we using this for? Friend, who we using this for? I ain't bring no broom and mop with me because that's what it looked like, the side of the refrigerator. Nah. Hey friends, what y'all doing out there? Hey, look at Rome. You don't see nothing. We can't see nothing. Oh, is my luggage on there? I think my luggage might be on that one. Anywho, let's get back. What we think about this little, what's this called? Window sill. It's actually kind of huge. Yeah, it's super wide. I don't think I would find myself sitting on it. Let me see. How we doing? The most uncomfortable bench ever. It ain't a bench. Get your butt up. All right, let's see. All right, so of course, are these blackout curtains or they gonna let a little light in? They're gonna let a little light in, looks like. Not too bad. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, not too bad. I don't need it specifically dark anyway. I don't know if you noticed, but I'm one of the people who I can sleep anywhere. It could be broad daylight. Look at my new friends coming on the ship. Hey friends, come on. We have a celery party to get to. Note to self, don't do this. I was undressing to go take a shower and I forgot that the curtains were open. I hope nobody saw me. If they did, I apologize. Anyway, don't do that. This is your reminder. Make sure the curtains are closed all the way before you start undressing. Yeah, I'm one of those people who I can sleep pretty much anywhere with light on, with noise, with music. It don't matter. Now, noise and music will wake me up in the middle of the night. But, no, I would say normal, right? So there's been a couple times where, this don't open. No, don't try me. This don't open. Okay, that's probably electronic box in there. This come out? No. Oh, yeah, I remember last time they said it was a magnet. So, you just got to pull it harder. Okay, let's see. Last time I had to have two hands to do it. Let's see if I can do it with one. There's no magnet here. Maybe I'm just doing it wrong. No, I feel like I'm going to break it, so we're going to leave that alone. All right, what else? I guess this is the only thing we didn't look at is the drawers. So yeah, somewhere to put our clothes and I'll put my clothes over here. I don't know why I said that. Maybe normal people would put their clothes over here. I would put my electronics over here. And now this thing is backward in this room because normally these drawers are close to that, which is really good for me. So when I'm doing my editing and stuff, I can throw all my electronics in the drawer and just be able to reach and grab what I need as far as batteries and plugs and all that good stuff. We got this. And we have a fridge. Yep, let's go ahead and put a couple bottles of water in there. I do prefer cold water. All right, I think that is it. I failed to mention these cute little shelves right here. Yeah, I like those. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Hey, friend. All right, let's go see what this surprise is. I think it is, if you haven't guessed already, I hadn't even thought about it, but I think it's one of my amenities that I ordered. So, I'll tell you what, let me switch from my phone to my camera so you can see a better view as I open it. All right, that took a minute actually. My disc decided it wanted to be formatted. But anywho, look, we have I forget what this is called. It's been like 2 months since I made that phone call and ordered it. But anyway, there's a little zipper back here. And nice little handle. Got a little Royal logo on it. Let's see. Zipper, zip. Oh, sucky. Okay, it's a little toiletry bag. Did I order a toiletry bag? I thought the other bag was a toiletry bag. Is this an upgraded toiletry bag? I meant to change it because I think I'm supposed to get a tote bag. Okay, I like it. I might even replace my other little pink bag because, I can't add nothing to my luggage, my belongings, unless I take something else out. But look, it's got a little clear pouch. Yeah, my pink bag is getting kind of old. Oh, thank you, Royal Caribbean. It don't take much to make me happy. And look, this little, what is it? Liquid bag. Boom. Bam. Oh my gosh, Becky, look at her bag. Alrighty. I'll think about that later. Right now, I am hot and I ain't gonna say I'm sweaty. I'm not sweaty, but I'm hot and I don't really feel good. I feel good. I feel like sticky. And I want to go to the celery party. So I'm gonna take a quick shower and then I'm gonna go head over to the celery party. So look for that video. But did I bring my sticks with me or they're in the luggage? I think I brought it. Yeah, I brought my sticks. I'm gonna try and film a little bit of it, hopefully. We're gonna see how they do it over here in Europe. I don't know what Odyssey of the Seas has in store for me. Did we even look at the TV? This is a huge TV. This is like 100-inch TV. No, I'm just kidding. It's not really 100-inch. But oh my gosh, look. Look how huge. Alrighty. I don't know why I'm excited. I don't plan on watching no TV. I plan on having some fun on this ship, recording a little bit of it along the way, and bringing you the content. That's it. But who knows? I might decide, I just want to chill in the room, go grab me something to eat, and come in here and watch a little TV, watch a little news, and is Roy the one who has the black and white movies? AMC? I don't remember. Anyway, thanks for watching. Love you. See you. Bye. See you on the next cruise. I'm so excited.